So we want to write a neutralized reaction to produce zinc chloride, ZnCl, as a salt. Okay. So we know that there's going to be some substance plus some other substance that we don't know what it is, and it's going to produce for us zinc chloride. And with these neutralization reactions, you can always add in H2O at the end. All right. The most likely culprit that the chloride comes from is going to definitely be hydrochloric acid, HCl. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a anion from the acid, and we want to pair that up with the cation from the base and basically have them cancel each other out or neutralize each other. So I'm betting that the acid is going to be HCl, aqueous solution. And the zinc chloride, well, I've figured out where I got my chlorine from. And my zinc chloride, my zinc has to have a Zn, and it also has to have an O in there. And it can also have an H in there. And so the most likely source of zinc, the zinc ion, comes from zinc hydroxide. So that would be zinc OH, and since hydroxide is a -1 and zinc is a +2, I'm going to need 2 of those to balance that out. Now what I really want to make sure of is, do I have the right coefficients? So let's see. As far as zinc goes, I've got 1 on the left and 1 on the right. So zinc is a 1 and a 1. And for my chlorine, I have 1 on the left and 2 on the right. And for my oxygen, I'm thinking I'm going to need a 2 here. So now I have a 2 on the left and a 2 on the right. I think we're good there. Okay. Now for my hydrogen, I have 4 on the left and only 2 on the right. So I'm gonna venture to say I'm gonna need a 2 here. So I can bump this guy up to 4. Now I'm wondering if that's gonna mess with my oxygen. Let me just check. I've got 2 oxygen on the left and 2 oxygen on the right. I think we're good. This is the balanced equation of that neutralization reaction.